besanim ediama yebehwe ene uram wo CAF asoi wo Johannesburg, South Africa. 2025 African Cup of Nations. Morocco ne be hosti na qualifiers no and the draw no ato Ghana. Yo group F, any teams bay and the ho and watch the the Black Queens of Ghana. Ewa you can so many Japan ebebo. Na so far preparation no Northampton and no mashase ye be rum ho kakra. Ghana Premier League no a breaky and I say 2023-2024. I better be in a so far recruitment no place no movement no say any city. One in some pinana we ye be dada chire that's so Ediama Midin Eddie Lou Takin Obeti Michael Akumia the sports Messiah Obeti Michael Asaribodu Obeti Nka production Abu Dhabi Etia Obwa production Saswa Nas Ewa Ricardo Varas Omna Omobuayo kwa MCR Jawo Shadrach Otu Abigail Jawo Nana Safu Kantanka Kelvin Omna Omobuame di Jumadie Edia bro Oni entina join on Facebook Sompa 93.1 like na share Wadwin Chebi afatuo Yebeji brebe kinkan di ama yasembisa Yebe ya no ediama na shano se dwuma ko biada Roma ene dro wiese ya omuji ayoyo ne ababa omde etena apakamu ema yesu yetimi ebose edi dwumadie ebedan wo awiamo se di anom drink papa na nipadua nya soroche na wanum entosre nipadua no enya akono eno ye miso fruit drinker amansaja tum ene yina chia e program bi ase event ben na wo ye ope fruit drinker ni taste ne kama emupi na emu ode no na nya pie brodo biscuit bi aboswa etumi kama a miso fruit drink your mango flavor and your pineapple flavor na babia no 7 ase a eye babia so no ma eye program bia ase enkramofo program a Christopher program for program apim for timunumbi enkokra timunumbi ayare for da yare mpasunumbi eye if say additives bia enyam eno e miso food drink monsanka bi ne omrantene maba wo na monten so a omobon dero Dr. Silas and a powerful shoma tobi your miamia bebra ukoso a ubenya ni doso patu akoton o peba ko nsebeka bi me the number bi tudwa say miso food drink say birthday say seminar eye suna eye amalia eye day aware na woja o pemizo ni bi afred be bro na oswetma 7 or asam na ye open doso poso near their bro 0246 270221 0246 270221 ofra yabejo sona bibia ay kama na your mixer 5G energy drink gudano no ba kope ne package ni ene kume ne package ni na achimie ni nyina ne se wonantia no wabre wo ye adwuma no wabre edu na dwa wo den na ena krokrotime chew open energy drinker ebebo ni padua no wo da obeda wo ye adwuma bia wo mra eno ani mixer 5G gwara na wom jensin wom emema no monnom mumfanse fridge na enchele kama wo point adwuma no wo tuana sa wo twa sompa ye program na se oforisuo mo de bro no na wo twesa na wonum kakaka wi afa kofrompa bonso ba wo so papa eno e mixer 5G no na green tea no ema eye kama na grapes no mani taste no eye de enu ntinya bi no na wa ho odensam no ensipinsi baby a ye to drinks bi akwa benya bi ato your rantene maba so mo na mo 20 frame 0246 270221 0246 270221 frɛ na bibia enya kama na yemfa bi mra enu akino ayarsabia ne ba akopɛ ye de bibidro na se ade ene ye 21st clinic omo ene expert e was sciatica mo ye kasa sciatica o sciatic nerves no enwaka o sciatic nerves na ene he o tu wase unankokom o panchi wachiri bramo saso unantu no nantabu na sifam no ntine oni nyina no etwetwe emu etutu emu hyehyew wonante yakase kwa abra no wanya poma bi manso wanya baabi antena wontimi enkoma ene yakase o sciatic nerves no ehun atechema ehun aka ena 21st clinic say omo bae no ade baako a enye omo a obiantim fa bibidro ensa esa sciatic ade no amanse duomatum sciatic ade bi akwa omutu ase enti minua wutie me abusuan se o static nerves no na aka na static apade the expert no at 21st clinic for ni chiremu a o masoye e okumase overseas junction afa radio nchewa ko no muntu ase emfama na bibia enya fine enu achi no yade bia fru trisu kosu na ase o metuma tu ase e dia ma o mo so de brane ento nchea yade bia no ko wa mbeje osisa dadaba no ma pam yade ne dia ma doctors and nurses awodo ho a o ko mbe krokro kama o mbeje oso na upi o maso ya ho ni bia ya wo ko na se wo kofia ya from sa se o ba ye no treatment na ekosei sanso na wo ko ye no nuo onom na wo asembia from call center on beje na omo no wadin koma me be fine and the 21st clinic abibidro there omo ye number 1 omo dem sonko omo ye guda se de zongo ni ka no enti kwai na ya de bia hinta ni padua no omo lab technicians a omo be wura mo ni padua no no ma doso ni padua no omo pa bia de ne hye so se scan ni padua na on be scan and baby ade ne che and 21st clinic more than 15 branches and ye Ghana ha ebi o takwa new TNA stadium no maye no enchope ebi osunwane ebi o oboase court junction na wuramu a council quarters wa sasura nkokọ kofoldua takrade sasura sunwane T-man anu ya techuma no NKZ nkransa ena gosu miamia bebre ena 21st clinic branches wo from 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 from na bibia enya fine emfama awia inu ma ya seta ye be sha se den sem how do ya bobo ano no agufam ediama nana akosia nana udu birthday ne ya ma happy birthday nyame enshira omo ho ban omo nyini che na wakoma so ade nyina entim emram we student midwife okete krache na yankasa made nyina bra Frank oye lotto agent Olimbe lotteries NSC yemfe dwumadie so ema happy birthday ntina na akosua yema happy birthday nyankopon shiraw na bibia enya kama student na nurse na dwuma nim se denem erade ema yekodru hom na bibia enya kama nti happy birthday na akosua wo atebebu kodua no saso na ababa wa yefo Rukaya Idrisu na Rukaya yema happy birthday nyankopon shapa dodo na efrem lubulu ko brekuma yefro lubulu yema happy birthday nyame shiraw na bibanya kama wankasa uchochomucho wa down for your stubborn killer your friend Porsche na so de say wose yema birthday pa emfama ti happy birthday nyame shapa Rukaya yanko anim ne amfa ne aka nyina ngufam emfama mo na yenhye nsam na se emfree yankasa ya Ghana ya Black Stars aswe and about 12:30 Johannesburg and a 2025 African Cup of Nations to Morocco qualifies in a draw no etimi to dwa na eno grama the special guest ya to nsade frɛ emon be draw no owram ewo CAF Director of Competitions Samson Adamu and owram Ivory Coast the Elephant of La Côte d'Ivoire about African Cup of Nations are the reigning champions. I'm head coach of an MS5 and former Morocco striker your friend Maroni Shamak and ability air drone Emma drone patron from pitch and to a branch of an MS5 or no head coach and the Elephant of La Côte d'Ivoire or no ever bomber drone eto and a former Morocco striker yeah Maroni Shamak was Academy Arsenal and ne omune ability Emma drone call kama omni CAF Director of Competitions Samson Adamu na drone a banner we say and a groups no ekoye me patron for groups no enter so near trying kama Rome group A Jawo Tunisia group A Madagascar Comoros and the Gambia group A group B yo Morocco Gabon Central African Republic and Lesotho group B group C yo Egypt Capo Verde Mauritania and Botswana group C group D yo Nigeria yo Benin omasia ko hyabiem Nigeria, Benin, Libya, and Rwanda. Oko Egria, yo Algeria, Equatorial Guinea, Togo, Liberia. Oko Group F, Ghana, L Group F, Ghana, L Group F, Black Stars of Ghana, L Group F, Angola, L Group F, Sudan, L Group F, and Niger, L Group F. The Ghana, Angola, Sudan, Niger. Enti Ghana Otto Ado eni Kwesi Apia ebeshia Ghana AFCON 2025 qualifiers na Ghana Sudan yebeshia meba so be ese adwuma no na akra group G yo Cote d'Ivoire Zambia Sierra Leone and Chad omo group F uko group H DR Congo Guinea Tanzania Ethiopia uko group I yo Mali Mozambique Guinea Bissau and Eswatini. Uko Group J, yo Cameroon, yo Namibia, Kenya and Zimbabwe. Uko Group K, yo South Africa, Uganda, Congo, South Sudan. And a last group Group L, Senegal, Burkina Faso, Malawi and Burundi. A year 48 nations. And so far, the attendance a year first and second, wabe top group, and wabe toss second. Monama qualify a copy our 2025 African Cup of Nations now. 24 countries and be PM Morocco and Roman na group biano your group mako 12 group A to group L na group A to group L no 12 groups now. Group biano ay 4 teams and no group A to group A 4 teams in Tunisia, Madagascar, Comoros, and the Gambia. And out of 4 teams, 2 teams and they qualify from Group B, first and second, and they qualify copy Morocco 2025 African Cup of Nations. Now, Mami Ghana group no solely Ghana group Ultra Group F, Hona Ghana wo Senetia Ghana, Angola, Sudan, Niger, Ghana, Angola, Sudan, Niger, and Group F. And no Urama qualifiers na the chance Urama Ghana Mami Kwesi Piano Otu Ado Obekaya Brazil 2014 Kwesi Apia Emma Otu Ado Eko Monitaska to Germany at the report Ebreno Emma ni Germany national team no adwuma 10 years later omo ebeshia as opposing coaches. And you James Katache, Mayela Jim Kwaba Kwesiapia, World Cup qualifier, Sudan team nyan lusu ye. Sudan team na Kwesiapia Kurano, Omunyan lusu ye. Omni Otu Ado team no Black Stars, and a Ebabeshia, and no Edietia, Yeti Emam Nunti, Abaja Fobedi Unkomo, Abraham William stories no. Na young Ramnian the Black Queens of Ghana. I say the Black Queens a year friendly game with Japan national team ball na Nora Hoptel after Black Queens players no amoma report to come na omo ashe training ase na omo she training ase no Black Queens head coach your friend Nora Hoptel etimi FM about ano Nora Hoptel and Sana Black Queens ombe esho training ase no ono mu tin komo kakra bomo abaso mo makwaba e kire mo botaye si o mani so a omo aba ombeye adwuma no twa Mukarama for the first time one Queens A Division 1 omo season pa na wie ya jawo A Division 1 League Super Cup e baso na afidie no omo se 2024 no e be sha se Monday 29 July na abrawie Tuesday 13th August na uroma e yade se teams maku 8 clubs and be participate from a year Division 1 League Super Cup 2024 na 8 clubs no say and ATM a there say urama champions from each A zone champions runners up no do the first and the third second zone bia no ba abebobi na enu achi no ye benya 6 clubs na ya sahwe second and our 2 best third place 8 teams are almost zone omo points no course so near do omo ababeka na 8 clubs na omo sia kama be kama we a rotational event Ghana Football Association for you the maiden edition it will do Greater Accra, second edition across Eastern region and third edition across Ashanti region when we to the half a region and the tier as on winner no ebenya trophy medals and a cash prize and a bad division 1 league super cup winner no eso en sabeka and no e down no yengo mo nso atrama bobo ekonom na nso atrama bobo kono and a coach Maxwell Kunadu ebeto dwa eso wonya contract for South Africa Black Leopard ekusi akan ana okokochi omo ama bia kama na nso atrama team no abeda coach Maxwell Kunadu ase omo de thank you a flyer abakama omuwiye and omude a statement edaba for immediate release edu dance coach Maxwell Kunadu a buyer and on bayer juma after 1 season watch a historic FA Cup at Maomo and watch no place a respectable position a fourth Premier League just ended 2023-2024 Ghana Premier League no otimi atoso for now so free club no as a legend no omo catch say anytime piano obeba no e adese omo emana kroba club no de waye no omre ntimi infinita enu ekrata nso atrama boboko no ediaba de meeting se omni coaches bi din komo coach sika akono edin abeda bama so omo hwese omunya na ombetimi ene aye adwuma after the exit of a coach Maxwell Kunadu no mete coach Samuel Bodu edin de mete CK Akono and I met empenfo ni edin komo be bad demo betuma be fatima ye fa ni so atrama boboko no ahwe ama bibia eso aye kama eno ede dawo and you call Black Leopard and PRO ye from Mr. Lucky edin komo say Maxwell Kunadu sama ye tete no eno kre ese Black Leopard almost South Africa more pointing on the more point how many years and I'm damn na dwuma na say and obedi no.
Yes, we can confirm that we have appointed him. Yeah, so we the agreement that we have reached with Coach Maxwell is for 3 years, for 3 seasons, starting from this current season, the upcoming season, the 2024-2025 season. So he will be with us for the next 3 seasons as Black Leopards Football Club. All right, so as Black Leopards, you know that now we are now playing in the second tier of the National Soccer League. The most important thing for Black Leopards FC is that this team it needs to be promoted to the Elite League, which is the South African Premier League division. The most important thing also is that the coach will be assisted by Solilo Vengo, who is also from South Africa, and then we also have Tendai Tanyaiwa, who is from Zimbabwe, and he will be our goalkeeper coach, and also.
Eno Mr. Lucky or no any Kasama for the Black Leopard was South Africa and watch Sompa Maxwell Kunadu appointing on for the next 3 seasons or no bedma or more one as the technical staff and I know what him as a goalkeeper trainer from Zimbabwe and assistant coach from South Africa and an him Diamaye Uram was Santi Kotokwa Rashid Noti that is a Kotoko and then aton kwanta pai omo apart ways say obe player number 23 were free Asante Kotoko and Rashid Note na Abrante Emmanuel Antwi osia kadba Great Olympics and na yate se Kotoko din komona duachire ame the sad story no crowd ya bro and interview because they be say oh na okra no between Kotoko and house adena se Kotoko no open sa den ama be sia kan dia ma Kotoko enten sama Emmanuel Antwi edituga.
There's a whole lot of news about you now. You are in the media. You are trending. Let me ask you a question somebody wishes to ask you, and it's a small girl.
Okay.
She should be about 13.
Right.
She wrote to me and said I should ask you, why have you chosen to play in the Ghana Premier League instead of the European Premier League? Because she thinks you have enough talent.
Yeah, I understand where she's coming from, but you know, we have a plan. So I just have to follow the plan. So.
Okay, so this is part of the plan to play here. Yeah. Hearts of Oak, Kotoko, Midiama, Samatex. Nations. They have been chasing your signature.
Sure.
But now it's narrowed down to Hearts of Oak and Kotoko. Mm-hmm. Will you tell us which one you have chosen? You won't tell.
Oh, I can't do that.
So you want people to keep speculating.
Sure.
Which club do you think your friends would like you to play?
They are all waiting for Kotoko. So let's see.
They are all waiting for you to sign to Kotoko.
So let's see.
Between Kotoko and Hearts, which one do you love? Assuming none has chased you.
I always go for Kotoko.
Nice one there. Kotoko for Masumo or say. The novel for you bepe. Se obesi akan ede ama Kotoko. Enu achi no between Kotoko na Hearts no. The odopa ope eye Kotoko. Emmanuel Entry. Great Olympics and the Sansem Etuga. Enoch Morrison. And we say Morrison, now Kotoko free and I say now ni ogum problem ana now ni ogum montam ate say yentien sama Enoch Morrison edemai.
David mini coach ni asembia eko Kotoko se me kosom ono so ba so besom enti yasom na ebia emredu se wo se me nkwa enti ade na me bra so me ko no me fa ne se obi like obi na ye ma me ko ya na se obi I met my friend no good because before I'm be feel about holidays we were good but you know friend me so me ye kasa
yeah
before last day ye meeting we kra no hu me no sa chia me ansa na ye meeting na ye be fie
okay
so offer me no so exchange of words bi anko so o kan asencha me coach mate me dana se samanda na se na bia me kate ko no so na se bisa enka bia anchire obu ba me dana se
right
ansa na ono anka say hangi up intimate ma from phone any afre so there's nothing between us David me ni coach ni asem bia
eno e de tia Enoch Morrison dia me so ni coach your friend Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum. Any problem bia na yebusa Enoch Morrison say playing for Kotoko no eya na senator edimpa ana obo Kotoko enyedin
to me as a player and I think say it's very challenging because any obi an etimi ba Kotoko etimi be bo first obo to me particular no me buy no nyama what's a bit hard for me but me manage here but obi ba ontimi because if we share big club to say Kotoko now we share the achievement and the success behind the team in Ukraine. My team ni muyedu emao. So if you don't have the strength and as it's not easy for you to play Kotoko like that. To me as a player, and I think it's very challenging because
eno ensema Enoch Morrison edi tudwa yaso yede mamo ewo edwumadie no so ensempi eno kan na mabadwafo na nya atenase ewo ha nti Michael Akomia the sports Messiah ewo ha ye hwese ye bekwa ahoma no so na yedidi nkomo bia ansa ya hwe ene o hwe 2025 African Cup of Nations ebetudwa Morocco qualifiers no draw no na to Johannesburg ama no manyina ye Ghana group e kodam e group ya na ano den ye hwese Ghana group no Ghana bitima qualify ma bibia aye kama medical dia to him say woman on be top A group no and on be top so second and automatically omo e qualify ko pimo AFCON 2025 okay mamen ko ahmano so na mini enkomomra me ne nso atreman bobo ekuno kasama for Joel Jempi eniko Joel timen kan na awie yem wa ha emwa kwaba. Hello Joe. Hello Joel.
Hello Luther.
Yes sir. What timen kan yem wa ha mwa kwaba?
Yeah, me just Luther.
Una mu boko de.
Nyame adom boko na mo so.
Nyame adom na ye kurukura ma. Me ba cho momfa let inso atrema for let into so mame. Joel, ya hu let bia inso atrema boboku no. Matcho modi bi atomo X page kyerɛ money coach Maxwell Kunadu aton kwanta pai mo wishing all the best ampa mo na mo twroye no kre na no kra so say na emu nsam na nkaza sitie
Well, look at my house for Sakonya. My minion has been Shemoti for Navy. Yeah, no, yeah, nature. And I did that weekend and coach ma team them pay for Nyan and TSN. When you offer this from South Africa, Black Leopards team. And the same company for Bejano Kwana on the Nishira Bamana Amanako. Akwakwenya foreign experience and exposure and kakra. I think the ban is a very tough decision for your board and even for the management. And for board no management and TSA we should keep it cool now. I'm only coaching Kasanre if Kasa bit and keep it cool for an extra year and already Krana on your 1 year contract go about the sign 2 years. Now we needed to keep it cool, waiting for some commodity. But I think the negotiation was done now. Then coach, at the actual Palmer penny for say, on the Australia, or per se, when you size Pojanica crap. Now, or check club neighbor say, or South African Banas or the Kuchi or Ghanaian club BM1. First on the list, of the consider Instruction Football Club. And I think in such a my board members and so Egypt Mona on the Munshra Emana. When a announcement no a delay across. So I think that final decision by then will be here said the trouble in Tema public meaning was okay. And you coach Ananka aka 1 year when some no apart with. See, look on Obisana not
Joel. Na eba say coach Maxwell Kunadu inform ma all kono. I learned say there was a little misunderstanding between the management and coach for was so better compensation be and as for some no speculation no cause say na net here.
Well, I look at American we say board no Eddie Omunshira my coach and the way I'm community quiet and say going forward no Obabaka will be to consider coaching instruction again. And the Kobana I don't think fairness can be a the other is another amount for blue room or more spread because we are always say near the coaching or 1 year contract. But then one thing is meeting that course wasn't held between coaching and management of the club. But it was between the board of the club and Coach Maxwell Kunadu. But then I don't know if there's something beyond that. But I mean, yes, sure, a compensation be a room.
Okay. Yeah, the Maxwell Kunadu bar in Swatraman within 1 season here said the was about 10 in Swatraman Bobo Kuno. Playing board no omunya information bisano. You so more break there by being the communications director at the Mac Club no. Send a players no faster news way.
Well, I think the news in the bar Bonteno, many so many calls from them. Well, now on so many confirmations and a crown as a we kind of fetch they felt bad to be frank with you because Coach Maxwell was a father figure to players, and let no one feel when him so they kind of say he was a brother to them. And or you'll be an or relative school with everyone or club name. The Obieniwa mechanism of us departure likely how will be professional club some of these things if you are but then any new to them. Any of them come on, I know that they've overcome it. But I almost said they've lost a father figure and a friend.
Okay. Now, Aban Semamusa, when are they resuming? You say coach in New Order, but they are the management and some of the technical team or that bay and a place in Beruzu. Now, Coach Bay and I know Omubabi, my Yatessa Mobo Din, Yatisika Konodin, whenever.
Well, for now, your 3 coaches on the list. You're running Kenya, me adma. I'm not sure you bet me. The coach, and then the age my once some about thing. It's not crampona since every Monday the now official and yet me announce a new coach. On date now a resume campaign also a resume on the 8th. That is Monday every. And I best start the pre-season campaign. Back to the coach nation, it's not about it's not some body length to say that way. I think even 3 on the list, some body income. He's one of the fantastic coaches. One name, but then due to 1 or 2 things, I think that maybe some opportunity will be given to him another time, but not this time.
Na Sika Akonoswe.
Well, I can't bet all. I think that he's one of the top coaches or more country no more. And you're quite serious. If a coach in the coach or in the clouds of Coach Masoknedu or international exposure and international experience, football experience, and put it that way. And also one of domestic league and also what is to be our own experience. I know several are the condeluta over 100 names crab may deny.
But so bet dinana won kan kyerem dia me de awie ya mi wura me so kyerem say Sika Akono a big favorite for Nso Atreman adwuma no to the influence about mami musa say nenim say Nso Atreman executive chairman honorable Ignatius Balfour after say Maxwell Boamo mutimi lifted the FA Cup no Maxwell a factor entina na say mo kwa Africa for CAF Confederation Cup e ba say no mo dreams no akwase like mo kwa Africa no still mo hopes
Oh yeah, and crashing it. But then I mean clarify because I didn't say we are supposed to some skeleton in a form of a coach, football coach. I know you're not touch line one direction. And the preview I doing this after was CK Akono. Let's face it, and yet will be picture and you're converting to skeleton. Then will be a free online Google. That is it. And so who now is CK Akono there? I didn't say we are living a or the Kosovo.
Joel,
Luther,
I'm not going to much. I'm going to control now. Yellow, they are clearly why.
But Luther, on what I said, your hopes in playing Africano and doing well, no air crashed. I'll say no, it's never crashed. To be frank, that news never said Coach Marcel Bekonede. At the moment, we felt that way, but then we have to come back to our senses to realize that look, that it's part of football until we move on. And we've been looking at another coach, and we feel so. He's not Masro Kumedo, but then or that clout or that character and humanity and the experience. And a band of ball no crowd or no our ball so he understands football. And I think Adebakwa Sanso may hope say I will go to Africa and do well. Then Nanka Coach Master over the same hope no say. Coach Master Ababele a very good foundation on such a man football club. Whichever coach be our Bebiano needs a good environment, management, every creative at the amano. Ababe born homewood and send Coach Master and Kobe. So all credit to Coach Master and management also decided that we'll try to give a very conducive environment to new coach in our banner, and we know and trust that. And I'm Coach Maso boy and even with the quality of players I want will be able to succeed in as much as any Kebe under Coach Maso.
Okay, your recruitment in a good way,
Oh yeah, but for now I think they are also kakra because there were some players and when Coach Maso will be on come. Now. And we meet a new coach in our crown, anything common. Personal terms have been agreed on. And to say, paperwork, will be also through an official, what signing, what take you over now, what say players and uncle, moving common. Before now, the house is for 2 days here, day and media, they are on hold. and me general manager mameti say nyame aduma nyumre or the list ebemano amana go through. Now if you could before say or best sign officially say or baby coaching to attemano obenya list and then you go through now a notes now or best sign any no Monday na yenya go ahead on players on the baby town. Okay.
Do me jam wako but sa adio nyampa sa 16-year-old boy Foster Apetobo. Yeah. Say Maxwell na guide akoda we are and BBC ba a bit man football career. Says there plans and I'm what the mass akoda yi.
Well, I think that we are smart and right with that, and we are going home as management, and we try every day. Once at the moment, school now prepare for what?
Yeah.
Teachers never because on finding out what and we realize what. We try say you be used to teachers never go phone and heading community. We are and say on forget to no focus on exam. We know the kind of relationship between Coach Maswell. But then yeah, sworn to say whichever coach job ever be yeah introduced national and coach in the crown from yeah where say original winning the exploits of Foster Petogono into a bar, he will give him that welcoming environment, Obama open arms and Obe accepting what he's seen send Coach Maswell, yeah, and I think that calming it down when as management will also be there to guide Abrante progress. Because we've come to accept and now almost say about the national asset. And I know that he's one of the beloved guys of the executive board chair, Honorable Ignatius Bafo, honestly, we know that it will be an easy transition for Abrante to fit into the new coach now, Obano, the books.
Joe Medas, we are brown and you didn't come on there, we'll shoot out to Kumasi Sompa 93.1 Casafidi. So,
all right, Mr.
Your query in Swatramabo Bukuno Casama for Joel Jempi and a coding como concerning the exit. And now say the departure of Coach Maxwell Kunadu, Opium of South Africa, and Wabo in Chimunasa, Akoda Ketuano. 16-year-old boy, a friend of Foster Apetobo, on the said the winning penalty for Inswatrama, someone left the FA Cup. No, come fast because I couldn't said the one Maxwell City, but once you see BBI is in control. Yeah, sure, Mr.
Luther,
are we able to there?
And I hope so.
Nyamiadum pa, my mentia, madam, for your friend Portia or Bricum, Menchiano, Navy, pa Portia. Bokodie manya signal say utie dwuma de na raden ka ho de fene so ye stubborn yanko anim
Porsche and wefe na Porsche is
stubborn
Luta
ne sister mo na de atoma nim so almost o kasa kire ne bia wonti ade
enye Shadrack mama we she Mr. Kwesi Apia sa kodie or Bradford UK na Benjamin Owusu entry na say and wish you happy birthday. Famao Mr. Akwesi Apia. Sakode or Bradford UK. Osinda Misha na yodo Mr. Sumbia no enye sha fama na your man koyi fama. Mama list no of an group no of various African Cup of Nations.
Yeah.
They beat me akoso. I think for Group A, it is quite fair to have Tunisia, Madagascar, Comoros, Gambia. They were almost here ports near sharing across, and I believe it's a Ghana group in a group of death.
Sir, Group F.
Yes. Tunisia, Madagascar, Comoros, the Gambia.
Now Madagascar, you know my boy how. Comoros and the Gambia. Where's our three countries now? Come here.
That group Nankasana so I many quick prediction of two nations ebe qualifier. I won't hesitate to say Gambia for ni Tunisia for ni stand a chance in qualifying from that particular group. What am I saying?
Okay.
Madagascar and Comoros they are good, but I think Tunisia, the Gambia, Ebrom so but Madagascar and Comoros for the becho mo abo cheche points na mo what I say. No about Group B. Once a hono ye befa baako.
Group B
ye befa baako.
Because of Morocco automatically.
On say 4 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
12 groups.
12 groups multiplied by 4, you say.
That's a 48.
48. What am I say? 4 groups multiplied by 48. Obi be 2 now, I say.
Now 24.
AFCON 24 teams in
Echo.
Morocco ne host nation. What am I say?
Yeah.
And rules no more by any chair say host nation will play in qualifiers.
Yeah.
But not necessarily means say one qualify. What am I say?
Automatically Morocco
qualify.
Gabon, Central African Republic.
Yes. It is a one oh sheba ko betima kan opa Central African Republic for the board or more than your bog to.
Is that a Gabon for Tiadana?
Gabon Fontaine die, but I believe Central African Republic will give Gabon a run for their money.
Okay.
They have a very good coach. They are consistent. Also for 2 years now, I'm maintaining the same coach. They are consistent. Very consistent. Very. Gabon will need to play above their levels. And Lesotho. It's a Central African Republic with a chance to qualify for the AFCON alongside Morocco, a host nation. Egypt, Cape Verde, Mauritania, Botswana, Cape Verde, Egypt.
Group C.
Group C. Cape Verde, Egypt. Nigeria, Benin, Libya, Rwanda. So our group is very tricky.
Nigeria, Benin, and South Korea. So our cup qualifiers.
And Libya so pick up banka kranka. That group, and I think said the surprise package is going to be Libya. Benin has proven themselves in recent times some more form, no, and they are going to compete. But AFCON, Nigeria has always found a way to qualify. So I'll tip Nigeria, but Benin and Libya be fighting for the place over there. Rwanda almost stadium, come Luta. But I don't think they have enough quality to beat Libya, Benin and Nigeria to qualify ahead of them. Then over the group E, Algeria, Equatorial, Togo. I met a pure Algeria and Equatorial Guinea for no.
Sir.
Oh yes.
Group E.
Group E.
Togo,
Equatorial Guinea, Algeria. Me for Algeria and Equatorial Guinea. Togo will need to play about. My major Canadian will remember so back. Group J, Côte d'Ivoire, Zambia, Sierra Leone, Chad. Côte d'Ivoire, Zambia.
Okay.
Group H, DR Congo, Guinea, Tanzania, Ethiopia. Aye, ubetu abatemo.
Tanzania, DR Congo. Football no so.
Tanzania has a very good footballing nation in terms of Homo League, but when it comes to qualification, they are far away.
I
think they will have to wait for 2026 AFCON. And Bibisa, I know my ban. 2027. So 2027, more Kenya and Uganda.
Yeah,
and they were one train. Then Guinea and DR Congo stand tall in that particular group. Then over the group I, Mali, Mozambique, Guinea-Bissau, Eswatini. Guinea-Bissau for Lutomame go one mass AFCON. They were good, but unfortunately, no more lucky experience.
Okay,
they have good players, more good squad. They could be the shocker in that particular group. Mozambique never take Abrabo AFCON. No. But I think Guinea-Bissau and Mali will qualify, but Mozambique and Guinea-Bissau be pre for that particular position. But slightly, I'll pick Guinea-Bissau over Mozambique in that particular group.
Okay.
In terms of that qualification. Cameroon, Namibia for boy ya papa. Luta. Only mobile be papa. Wasobe So I think Cameroon will qualify though. Kenya also beat me train. Zimbabwe will put in a tough task, but I believe Namibia and Cameroon will come.
Okay.
In this contest. Then Congo, Uganda, South Africa, South Sudan. South Sudan has proven to be a strong opponent. Nancy Krombobo games be no hard but Congo does not prove to be. Uganda has not also convinced me. Mefa South Africa and Congo. Uganda convincing me.
Sir, the
players be brave. So they be a do AFCON qualification is annual man. They struggle. I almost be trained the host, you know. No almost Then Senegal, hey, Burkina Faso, Malawi, Burundi for now. My giant killers. For now, you know, so I wouldn't be surprised that Burundi will fight tooth and nail with Senegal, but Omakusha Malawi na Malawi ashomo na Burkina Faso. So I tip Senegal and Burkina Faso. Now the main focus is going to be on Ghana, Angola, Sudan, Niger.
Kwesiapia.
You see, it's quite some way to feel say Kwesiapia no or that's a school member. What did they mention as? Kwesiapia, a school member. He has an interest because the GFA in the head Black Stars.
Yeah.
And now he's not only the coach for Sudan, also a part of the coaching team, but he's the technical director.
Edma Sudan. Yeah.
We've seen the impact and the results of Menya when it comes to recently.
Unbeaten.
The World Cup qualifiers in the common at that top.
Yeah. Alongside Senegal.
Let's not kid ourselves. Senegal team heading.
Yeah.
Heading. But always Sudan for no because you know there is war.
Yeah.
It's almost Saudi Arabia to Tom in Libya. No more. And I believe you kwesi apia the neton chen krana. They are a very good team. They are a team in form and only a very compact.
Because one thing I'm saying who say akwesi apia factor no. Ebe play major key ni say because on say Coach Ignatius was an assistant or Fatah Dawda goalkeeper trainer. So like I said the technical team no Ghana for. So something will serve as a motivation for them say winning against our motherland. But
is it a conflict of interest no? Because Apia also have something to prove.
Yes.
The GFA school position is there. But Kwesi Apia also has his integrity to protect.
And in this case, now we'll cover about the ESCO. Being the ESCO member and say, I'm going to almost strategizing for a conference qualifier. Kwesi Apia better not meeting be. One team in country and so man into them. And if you executive council at Nase, a quaben was say, you first qualify for 2025 AFCON. Now we didn't input Jaba. Kwesi Apia to no. So I've been asking no.
Asamo Luta. Asamo pa.
But there is a curtain bottom mafia. A do meeting beside look at some friends.
Kwesi Apia no shebe ye den.
Kwesi Apia den.
Because what the team nuclear Sudan and your form ni bibia to nchenya. Kwesi Apia is one of the most important brains you have in this country.
Oh yes.
When it comes to coaching. We might not respect him, but a bus a young cohesive team when team form qualifying bibia. Kwesi Apia was the first black Ghanaian coach to qualify us for the World Cup.
Oh yes. Brazil.
AFCON. Kwesi Apia Ethiopia mo 7. Feels like Kwesi Apia mo 4 should be 5 now.
W. On the second countries in the Comoros, mo ma meje one wa. Obese Sadia ma.
Game na e ko lose ni sa kroma bo. The Central African Republic game money e bre obese was South CCA.
Say you discover talent bin fanning
free baby so San Fran bra Kwesi Apia has proven to be there. It Luther, it makes it quite a difficult task for Ghana. Me who say Ghana qualify for AFCON.
I dare qualify.
Qualification that Ghana will qualify.
But the tournament itself in
that group, Ghana, Sudan, Angola. Ghana will qualify. But the man didn't even hear say Angola for team now me kwahwe wa AFCON. Bono omuni mbo papa. And technically they are very good. And no matter that FIFA boys no man team anya Portugal team ni bia money other country no money omaba.
Okay.
And these boys have been splendid. And our organization has been good. You know more ball qualifiers before the World Cup and meboa. You kwa away no you kwa fa so bre ya ansa na ye show mo. But Chroma one day no cry show mo Chroma say bre. Meaning say a new coach Otuado Naba. This is a big task. I'm not scared. But this is the first time I'm scared of Ghana qualifying for the AFCON.
Sir.
Yes.
Because of Angola, Sudan.
Because for 2.
Yeah. First and second.
Angola back on boy.
Ambopa.
Sudan so I was certain level.
Because I can't remember say onyo mo na eba na do ye kwatena Kumasi airport a.
Asa Oluta wakai.
Abe anadwo 10 nyina na omo
Zola. Me say AFCON no bo a omo bebo wo AFCON no. Se san omo ne bebo wo qualifiers na ye wa asem bo ne po. Luta. Me say bo na me de mani ko hwa Angola so omo bo wo AFCON no. And one omo bebo qualifiers we ya ya mo abo ayehu yi ba. Number my match. Sudan our motivation say if they should qualify for the AFCON they assume kakra be
Krone yes. Now, on person use football no.
And the motivation of modern ban your motivation get what.
And for the sake of Akwesi Apia mpese yes, a certain Ghanaian called Akwesi Appiah. Na ama peace. Aba Sudan.
Aba Sudan.
Nti me pese Akwesi Appiah bit ma qualify Sudan team we.
Asem no. Minua. Asem ni nyana no. So we are only hopeful. Say we could gather a lot of things, do better, and make sure say your mama bet me pick it up. And yes, see them say Kwesi Appiah 7 Sudan at 7 day. Some ben 3 points, so they are.
We be for Hana, we are for her.
We for Hana, we are for her.
In 2025,
now for the Akano.
2025, so
because 2 teams in able.
Yeah.
2 teams in the qualify.
First and second.
Iti mama mo 3 points, mama 3 points. And then na mo ama pekwa am be first one made deal with Niger and Angola. Let's not underestimate Niger too. I'm not saying Niger bros will be brave. Niger a bit much but yenya abo 3. And the way football is still kono. O underestimate will be our how. It will make match more. I'm not saying they should go and fix match. Uti me amenka se Kwesi Appiah na Ghana for go fix match. All I'm saying is Ghana will feel, you know. I don't see where and how Sudan bet my best Ghana wo Baba ya supposed to do. This be a Kwesi Appiah mo na be hardware. Osaso e Ghana ni. Obokumasa sante kotoko. Etwa ne fru ma Baba yara eluta asem na di o.
E de oba obenya support kakra wa ha.
Asem na di o. Ghana lose wo Baba yara for some time now. Nipa na odi Sudan eba kurom ha no. Baba yara na etwa ne fru as a footballer. Luta asem na di. Luta asem na di.
They don't have na football now so interesting.
Asem na di. But nyame adom ochina ye ba de wo bi e be sa de aba beto aso.
Mate.
E de ama.
Mate. But Emmanuel Ntwiso was a kotoko for yen term because when you actually be say,
oh, of course. He's a fantastic footballer. He had a good season. So I'm only hoping
because when you say player be na summer test for any dinner cheaper. I had some conversation with Penny Bi or summer test. I not doing summer test for or more target no munya no more pay. Nti player na timi akasa o ne namfo nyina peso bo kotoko. Ono so na nkasa no between hearts of folk ne kotoko no pe kotoko no. Minister kotoko for asasi din commode but they should speed things out. Now because unya players are my willing to die for club no say ya odo mo bad o mi bi etimi fa. Mza ya brana so fancy na sorry I don't do not see it in coma uchina anopebo 7 a share ne mfa tip off no emfa ebrebo 9:30 team na betena se ne de full time abro ye do bi ase medin Eddie Luther King so at Michael akomia the sports mizayanka production no Michael Sarbodo boy abudi abi boy saso na Ricardo Varas nas omunyina boy yes sorry ama next program ato aso commercial